today I'm going to be doing a fun video for you guys. Let's have a look because I've been eating warheads. But I found my fidgets, by the way. I have like so much fidgets. And I have a huge, I already showed them that, huge poppets that I like had, but I lost them. Now I have them again. This is my gift. Okay, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to do some gymnastics. Mommy, you're gonna be the filmer. I never told you we were doing this video. Oh, here's a mini fidget basketball. Okay, now we're on to the point of this video. Mommy, we can see your thumb in the camera. Okay, first we're gonna start off with something simple. I bet she's just gonna do like a little routine. Bloopers. This is definitely a blooper. Hey guys, it's Brooklyn part 2 because I messed up the first time. Hey guys, it's Brooklyn, and today we are going to be doing a gymnastics. Hey guys, Brooklyn, today we're doing a gymnastics challenge, so let's get started. I need to go change into a gymnastics outfit. I'm back. I changed into some leggings and I have my dance shoes on because we might do a few dance moves. I'm not in dance yet, but I'm going to be soon. Got my fierce leggings. Okay, time to start. First thing is we're going to do a cartwheel. We're just going to do like our beginner moves. This is just what I think is beginner. Okay, now we're gonna get to more harder stuff. I'm nervous. I haven't done this in a while. I need to go get my mat. Okay guys, one more little thing before we start. If you want to see me at the Lone Star National, just go to USA BMX Lone Star National Day 1 and 2. I'm in both. And then you just have to go to 910 Mixed Open and 10X. Perfect. And then you'll find me in those two classes, those two races. So, let's actually get on with what this video is for. Gymnastics and dancing. So, I got my mat to make me feel more forward. We're not going to wear our dance shoes for like doing this. We'll put on dance shoes later. Attempt 3. Ow. I keep landing on my head. And I know how to do it. I just haven't done it in a while. And I did stretch it this time. We did it. Sort of. And we'll just go for it. Now we're just going to do on with dancing. how to put on my shoes. I don't have any dance like so. Ow! Can just only see the back of our chair. It's my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
I like doing that. Okay, come on, Blaze. Come on, Blaze. Go. Okay. Next side. I actually have no idea what dance moves are. I'm just gonna make up stuff. Blaze, out of the camera. This is not your YouTube channel. That way. You probably can't see me if I'm doing like kicks. Trying to tell him. Okay, we're gonna go outside then, Blaze. Your corner. I'm over here, everyone. Over here. Okay. Now, we're just going to do kicks. Oops. Okay, guys. That's the end of this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Peace.